Welcome to the 16th Annual Women in Business Conference. We're delighted you could all join us here today.
To really progress to a leadership position, you need to have a true vision, great collaboration with people, great teamwork, and I think that's something that in current world you cannot get sitting in one place.
With a firm like BCG, we are advising clients that are global. It's very atypical for us to be working on a project for something that is very specific just to the London market.
Early on in my career, I actively sought out the opportunity to work in other countries. I wanted the opportunity to just see what it was like to work in China, to work in Brazil, to live in Australia.
I want a global career, so hearing from women who have senior careers that are global has really encouraged me to keep going.
Think about your career as a lattice, not just a ladder. Think about building out capabilities and getting different experiences to build a foundation which will then accelerate you much faster later on. Be scared and then absolutely do it anyway.
I think that was a motto when I was trying to make my decision to come to business school. My girlfriend said, if it's a mixture of excited and scared, then it's definitely the right decision for you.
The speakers have been sensational, covering really engaging, up-to-date, cutting-edge topics.
We've been told to lean in, speak up, stand out. I get dizzy with all of the instructions that I'm getting. But this is about culture, personal, organizational, and societal. It's about change, and it's about time.
If you want to get promoted, you have to tell people. If you don't tell them, they may well think you're happy in your job. And I still tell people when I need a job, and I always need a job, because I'm always out of one.
I really enjoyed listening to Barbara Judge, Lady Barbara Judge. I thought she was quite a character and very inspirational.
Barbara was just hilarious, super insightful.
I want women to have something that's theirs and that's their own career, and my mother was right, to make their own money, because money is independence. And independence is everything.
It was very important to highlight that we are really shaping our own career, and that really some of the limitations that we feel and we often hear about around women are often in our imagination.
He said to me, I want you to be the new business director because I'm moving up. And I honestly looked at him and I went, well, I can't do that job. Exactly as you're saying. And of course I could do that job. I just did it in a very different way to the way he did it.
So stop fearing failure and start grabbing opportunity.
As Sheryl Sandberg said, you've got to take up your space at the table. So I'm encouraging you now to reclaim your birthright, not to stand in a position where you know chemically makes you feel stressed, but to stand in a position where you feel more confident and people feel more confident about you. Not to be perfect, but to be brave.
The panel today has really encouraged me to just go for it.
Just go for your own vision of your life.
Just be incredibly fearless and open-minded.
Go for it. It's so enriching.
The world is changing. The world is actually getting better for women. And you are a key part of that change story going forward.
Your world is so full of chances to learn, to achieve great things, to experience the incredible richness and diversity of this planet. You are the future, and I would encourage you to seize that opportunity with head, heart, and hands.